Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to give you two job updates. One is from Sopra Steria, second one is from Cineverse. Your year of passing should be either 2022, 2021 or 2020. Qualification should be either BE, BTech, MCA or MSc degree. What are the branches eligible? I'll discuss in this video. Salary will be up to 9 LPA. What is the job location, how to apply, and what are the other details? Everything we will discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. Once you'll click on the apply link, which you'll find in the description box, then you'll find this page. This is first apply link, that is Sopra Steria. So this is, here you can see the job openings here. Job role is engineer trainee. Job location is Noida, Chennai. Year of passing should be 2022 only for the Sopra Steria. Qualification should be either BE, BTech, CSE, IT and EC batch candidates are eligible, or if you have done MSc then also you are eligible. Sorry, MCA. And if you have done MCA then also you are eligible. Salary will be 6 LPA for this Sopra Steria job. Here there will be service agreements for 36 months. If you will break the bond, then you need to pay 2 lakhs. Target joining date is July-August 2022. Okay, there is a eligibility of at least 70% in 10th, 12th and in your graduation. You should not have any active backlog. You should not have more than 2 years of academic gap. Selection process, there will be online test and technical test. After that, technical interview, then HR interview. So yeah, how to apply? Click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, then you need to log in, because this is a firstnaukri.com website. Here you need to log in first, then you need to fill the details, then submit. Now second job opportunity is from Cineverse. So Cineverse is giving software analyst to this job role, and here job location is Bangalore or Hyderabad, full-time job. Here they didn't mention any percentage criteria. So if you have less than 60%, then you can apply for this job. Okay, for this Cineverse. Here year of passing should be 2020 or 2021. No standing backlogs. Salary will be 9 LPA. Eligibility is BE, BTech candidates. All candidates are eligible of BE and BTech. If you have done MSc, then only computer science candidates are eligible, or if you have done MCA, then you are eligible. Okay, so these are the details. How to apply? You need to click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, then you need to log in. After that, you need to fill the form, then submit. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now let me tell you, there is very big announcement from Unacademy. Unacademy is conducting all India mock test for GATE 2022 on every Sunday from January 2 to January 30. And this mock test is for free. You can find link in the description box. Once you click on that link, then you will find this page. Here you can see mock test dates are 2nd January, 9th January, 16th January, 23rd January, 30th January. How to apply or how to enroll? You need to enter your mobile number, then enroll for free. That's it. After that, here you can see eligible branches are ME, CE, EE, ECE, CS and IT, and CS. CH means chemical engineering. So here you can see total there will be 65 questions, entire syllabus, and 180 minutes. Okay, now another announcement from Unacademy is Unacademy GATE Mega Combat. They are conducting Unacademy Combat on 23rd January 2022 at 11 AM. There will be total 60 questions you need to solve in 20 minutes and 200 lucky participants to win exciting rewards. Okay, so what are you waiting for? You can enroll for free if you use my referral code. So once you'll use my referral code, then you can enroll for free. Okay, so you will find link in the description box. Once you'll click on that link, then you will find this page. Here you need to click here enroll now. After that, based on your branch, you can enroll. While enrolling, you need to verify your email ID or mobile number, and in the invite code you need to enter ANUTIW10. And don't worry, you will find this invite code in the description box. After that, next announcement from Unacademy is Unacademy is starting new batches for GATE 2022 to GATE 2024. 23 to 2024 from 19th January 2022, and you can get 10% discount if you use my referral code. I'll tell you how to get 10% discount, but before that, let me tell you one more thing. If you purchase 12-month subscription of Unacademy GATE and ESE Plus, then you will get 2 months extra, and if you purchase 24 months plan, then you will get 4 months extra. Okay, so this offer is valid till 19th January 2021 only. Okay, so this is one thing. And also you can get 10% discount if you use my referral code. Now let me tell you how to get 10% discount using my referral code. So here you need to select either plus or iconic plan. So if you select plus plan, so here you can see, if you purchase 24 months plan, then you will get 4 months extra. If you purchase 12 months plan, then you will get 2 months extra. Okay, and here if you use my referral code, that is ANUTIW10, once you use my referral code and click here apply, after that you can see, awesome, you got 10% off. Okay, so don't forget to apply my referral code if you want to get this GATE and ESE subscription. Offer will expire on 19th January 2022. So apply on or before 19th January. So get this subscription on or before 19th January 2022. And there are very benefits of the Unacademy subscription. You can talk with your favorite educators in the live classes and clear your all doubts. And if you purchase iconic subscription, then you will get 1v1 live mentorship platform. There are special class features like interactive live classes, poll for the learners, never miss a class, lecture notes, anytime, anywhere. So yeah, that's it from my side in this video. While filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.